So we're in a boiler room here. There's a sump pump over there, and it discharges here, and it's plugged somewhere in there. Feels like something right here.
Maybe you got that.
Probably gonna have to. Looks like cement. Fuck's sake. Yeah. Oh, what's that's going to do anything with cement? This thing not doing that. That's concrete. That's cement.
Cement?
Like it's barely like I'm jamming this in to try to like.
You cannot remove it?
It looks like it's through this whole pipe, or maybe not, because I can only see it here.
Yeah. That one is the problem.
See it's there?
Yeah. There's nothing there? Okay?
Here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Oh yeah, it's working. Okay there. Just only there.
No, in here, here, there. You're not gonna like what I need to tell you. You gotta get the plumber here. They gotta repipe this. I don't know where your cement's coming from. Who's putting cement down the drain? Like that's cement from, I don't know if somebody came in here and started mixing up cement and then poured the extra. I don't know. I can't say. But like, look.
Yeah, here before. They are putting a cement there before.
Well, it looks like it went down the drain. See, it's not there.
Pero can you cannot remove that one? There?
No, I already tried. That's solid. Look.
Oh.
You put any pressure on it, you're just gonna bust it up. I wanna go plug that in. I wanna see if any water is getting to this point.
Yeah, okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Anything?
Yeah.
It's coming out of there?
Coming out there. The problem is just only there.
Oh, the problem's not only just there. That should have shot out like a rocket.
Oh. So it's a drama.
Yeah.
Maybe you can ask to your office.
Not gonna listen to me.
Yeah, because you see the situation, because so that we can call also. What time is it now? Is it
10 to 5?
5 or maybe?
I don't even know who's on call.
Cindy is not there
Cindy,
already.
she should be there, Sandy.
So, kailangan i-repipe itong pipe kasi nag-crack eh. Hindi niya ma-fix. Oo. May crack. Parang hindi pwede, parang tumigas na simento. Hindi, i-repipe lang nila tapos okay na ito. Wala nang problema. Yung tak-up. Yung plumber. Oh, yung drain, kailangan na-repipe kasi crack. Pipe drain ka mo kasi plug. Need to repipe ka mo kasi nag-crack. Repipe. Di nagaragagin yan na niya eh. Kailangan naman na hindi pa lagyan ng pipe. Hindi pwede. Wala, hindi nga pwede. Hindi mawawala ng tubig. Hindi magsha-shut off. Yes, on drain pipe ito eh. Walang shut off. I-repipe niya lang. Hindi naman siya plumber eh. Drain tap si Jason eh. Okay.
What'd she say?
Yeah, call the property manager first, then maybe call the plumber because you cannot do it, right?
The snake's not gonna break through it. See,
Yeah.
that's the problem. You can only use a certain size snake in this kind of pipe, right?
Yeah.
Once you start going around bends and stuff like that, the snake,
It's okay if no, we can.
they're gonna have to basically sweat this out
Yeah,
to see if there's anything down here,
yeah.
and then they're gonna have to take it off here to see if it's up in here.
But the water goes up there. Maybe there's also there.
But yes, the water's coming out, but it's not coming out how it should.
Yeah.
Like that should be flying out of there. That's a pressure pump. That's not just gravity, right?
Oh, yeah.
Gravity, yes, just pouring out, right? But that's pressure.
So, but the water is not getting high, right? Because there's no leak. Just like that. It's not getting high. Not
Oh.
that
It's gonna get higher eventually.
it's getting high.
I gotta hook this back up to see if it's draining out. Like, well, that's the thing, right? You've seen how much pressure is shooting. Like this was under pressure,
Yeah.
right? If that was draining, this wouldn't be under pressure.
Maybe it's better you put it back.
I'm gonna have to put it back, but you're gonna burn your pump out. How long has that been running for?
This one, the sump.
Yeah.
This one is just brand new.
When did you notice this?
But this one, just only last night.
So it's been running all nights and
Yeah.
all day.
It started at 5 o'clock yesterday.
So it's been running basically 24 hours straight.
Yeah. Because we need to remove that one because we need to shut off the building because this one there's leaking. That's why.
So you got the building shut off?
Yeah. I shut off the building yesterday.
What, all the water?
Yeah. Because it's getting flood here if you don't shut off the building. This one is the pipe is burst.
You gotta tell your wife to tell the plumbers that
The,
you guys have no water in the building.
yeah, but now it's okay now.
You turned it on?
Yeah,
Well, the plumbers was here.
yeah. It's okay now. The water is okay now.
So that's, I don't know.
So-
I know what's needed. This needs to be repiped. I know that.
Yeah. So,
Hindi ba kaya natin yung pipe na ba? Yung rubber?
And what I'm gonna tell you,
yeah,
when the plumbers come, tell them to put a clean out in here.
yeah,
Like maybe back here or up here,
okay,
somewhere that, just a line clean out so you can snake back and snake forward.
okay.
And I would get rid of this. I don't think you need that. Like all this, I don't even know why that's there. This was probably something at one point.
Yeah. So, we don't need first to plug it in because it's useless, right? It's okay.
Hindi siya pababa.
But you're gonna have to keep an eye on this. Like I'm gonna coupling all this back together.
Yeah, you just put it back.
But
Just
you-
put a coupling.
yeah, I'm gonna have to.
Okay.
Where's that copper?
Sa putol mo na doon.
Sorry.
Hindi na natin padaanan mo yung mga. Hindi na natin padaanan mo. Pinagsan natin mo ba?
So what do you want me to do? You want me to plug that back in? It's, if the guys don't get here, there's potentially that it could burn out. Well, if it's constantly running, right? Could burn out. So
It's okay like that.
you leave it like that. You're telling me to leave it like that? Okay, you're the boss, man.